Okay, on resuming the assessment for the iPhone 7 Plus, we tested against one of our liquid crystal display LCDs, plugged it in again, and we also made an attempt to try to, what do you call it, form the frame again, reshape the frame by straightening it out a little bit. It is a little bit straighter than it has before when it came in, but it's still bent on this side. Unfortunately, when plugging the device in, the current incoming current is still 0.60 amperes, and it does not seem to be responding to when we try to power the device up, so this may not be a solution for him. We're going to try one more component out. That we're going to try the charge port. We're going to test it against one of our charge ports and see if that helps out.